Unusually, I'm a futurist with a strong technical background, which means that when any new technology emerges, I'm able to quickly understand the benefits and opportunities for my clients. From a very early age, I was experimenting with electronic circuits with my father before building shortwave radios and burglar alarms with those 101 electronic kits. Fast forward to 2000, and I was first labelled a futurist during a webisode, we'd now call it a webinar, from Telstra, where the interviewer introduced me as a futurist.
Today's guest speaker is Andrew Grill, a futurist from Telstra. He'll be giving us some insights on how we're likely to use technology in the home and workplace in the future.
I've worked for innovative engineering companies such as British Aerospace, designed communication equipment for the Australian Army, pioneered the use of location technologies for Vodafone, and ran the influencer company Cred before working as a global managing partner at IBM. So, what does this mean for you? Well, it means I'm not just talking about futures predictions of what might happen with new technologies. I'm using my 13 years experience as a technologist who's actually worked with a wide range of technologies and actually designed and launched new technology products and services. This means that I can bring a fresh and completely practical and real-world view of new technologies such as AI to you and your teams, and ensure you leave my talks newly inspired with ideas and an action plan for next week. Head to actionablefuturist.com to see the range of topics I present on, read and watch client testimonials, and see examples of each one of my talks on video. I look forward to seeing how I can help you in 2024.